Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I welcome to all of you in today's video. In today's video, we are going to solve the exercise of lesson number 27, the Bremen Town Musicians. In my previous video, I had taught you the lesson. So let's start. Exercise. Question number first. Write answers to the following questions. Question number 1. Why did the donkey have to leave his master's house? डोंकी को उसके मालक का घर क्यों छोड़ना पड़ा था? आंसर, बिकॉज हिज मास्टर बिगेन टू ट्रीट हिम अनकाइंडली, क्योंकि उसके मालक ने उसके साथ में अनकाइंडली बिहेव शुरू कर दिया था. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकेंड. वाई द डॉग एंड द कैट वेयर अनहैप्पी? जो कैट और डॉग जो था वो नाखुश क्यों थे, दुखी क्यों थे वो? आंसर, द डॉग वॉज अनहैप्पी बिकॉज ही टू हैड बीन किक्ड आउट ऑफ द हाउस ऑफ द हिज मास्टर, बिकॉज out of the house of his master, and the cat was unhappy because her mistress was going to drown her. Now the next question. Question number 3. Was the donkey good hearted? How do we know that? जो गधा था वो अच्छा था क्या, यानी अच्छे दिल वाला था? अगर ऐसा है तो क्यों? आंसर, yes, the donkey was very good hearted because he brought the unhappy animals with him and saved their lives. Question number 4. Why was the cock unhappy? जो cock था वो unhappy क्यों था? Answer, because his mistress had told his cook to kill him for the feast. Question number 5. What did the donkey do when he heard the cock's tale? Donkey ने क्या किया जब उसने मुर्गे की कहानी सुनी? Answer, the donkey invited the cock to join the band of musicians. Question number 6. What did the cock see from the top of the tree? जब वो मुर्गा था झाड़ की ऊंचाई पे बैठा तो उसने क्या देखा? Answer, the cock saw a house among the trees. Question number 7. Who were the musicians? Musicians कौन थे? Answer, the donkey, cock, dog and cat. Question number 8. Did the musicians belong to Bremen Town? Answer, no, they didn't. Question number 9. Was the idea of singing to the robbers really clever? Robbers के सामने singing करने की जो idea थी वो सही में अच्छी थी क्या? Answer, yes, it was. Now the question number 10. What effect did the musicians singing have? Musicians का गाना गाने का क्या इफेक्ट हुआ, यानी क्या असर हुआ? Answer, it frightened the robbers. वो उन robbers को डरा गया. Question number 2. Make the animals which? Number 1. Scratch the robber's face. Robber के face को नखूटने वाला एनिमल कौन सा था? Cat. Number 2. बीट हिज लेग हार्ड. पैर को काटने वाला जानवर कौन सा था? आंसर, डॉग. नंबर 3. गेव हिम अ स्मार्ट किक. एक स्मार्ट किक देने वाला जानवर? आंसर, डोंकी. नंबर 4. स्क्रीम्ड एंड फ्लैप इट्स विंग्स. अपने पंखों को फड़फड़ाकर चिल्लाने वाला जानवर? आंसर, कॉक. नाउ यू हैव टू राइट द अपोजिट वर्ड्स एंड यू टू लर्न इट. स्टाव अपोजिट वेल फेड, उसका रिप्लेट भी होता है. स्टाव यानी भूखा रहना और रिप्लेट मीन्स पेट भरा होना. सैडली अपोजिट हैप्पीली. क्रूएल अपोजिट काइंड. लाउड अपोजिट सॉफ्ट. लॉन्ग अपोजिट शॉर्ट. टॉप अपोजिट बॉटम. फ्रेंड्स अपोजिट एनिमी. ह्यूज अपोजिट इंग. ह्यूज अपोजिट स्मॉल भी होता है. ह्यूज अपोजिट स्मॉल. अपीयर अपोजिट डिसअपियर्ड. क्वाइट अपोजिट नॉइजी. सेफ अपोजिट डेंजरस. हाइंड लेग्स अपोजिट फोर लेग्स. हैप्पीनेस अपोजिट सैडनेस. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, you have to learn and write these collective nouns. Number 1, a gang of robbers. Number 2, a herd of cattle. Number 3, A flock of sheep. Number 4, a band of musicians. Number 5, a shoal of fish. Number 6, a bunch of flowers. Dear students, we have to learn all these collective nouns. Now the next question, we have to write the describing word for the following. For example, number first, good-hearted. Good-hearted is adjective. Donkey. Donkey कैसा था? Good-hearted था. यानी donkey को describe करने वाला, the word that describes donkey, that is good-hearted. The master. How was the master? Cruel. The answer is cruel. Dog कैसा था? Sad. Sad dog. Frightened. Voice. Voice कैसी थी? आवाज कैसी थी? Frightened. Now we have to write the plurals of. Number first, donkey, donkeys. Idea, ideas. Mistress, mistresses. Inquiry, inquiries. You have to add here S, mistresses. You have to add here S, mistresses. Mistresses. E and S, mistresses. Inquiry, inquiries. Now add ly to the following words. Strange, strangely. Quite, quietly. Number 3, wondrous, wonderfully, wondrously. Wondrous का होता है wondrously. Wondrous का होता है wondrously. बट यहाँ पर wonderful दिया हुआ है, तो यहाँ पे आपको लिखना है, you have to write here wonderful. Wonderful. The word is here is wonderful. WNDR. Wonder. FUL. Full. Wonder. Wonderful. You have to write here wonder. What is the spelling of wonder? WNDER. ER. Wonder. Wonderfully. Then glad, gladly. Now the next question is, add names to the following words to form new words. Number first, weak, weakness. Number second, sad, sadness. Number third, unkind, unkindness. Here the spelling is unkindness. You have to add NESS, unkind, unkindness. Happy, happiness. You have to write here ness, NESS, unkindness. Happy, happiness. Then the next question is, you have to fill in the blanks. Number first, they had to cross a dash. Answer, they had to cross a forest. Number second, the cock flew to the top of the tree to look for dash, to look for shelter. The answer is shelter. Number 3, the animals had a good idea. The animals had a dash idea. The animals had a good idea. Number 4, the robbers might even pay them for their performance. The robbers might even pay them for their dash, and here the blank place word is performance. Now the next question, true or false. Say whether the following statements are true or false. Number first, the robbers made a lot of noise while entering the house. जब वो चोर थे घर में दाखिल हो रहे थे तो उस वक्त उन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा शोर मचाया था. Answer, false. Number 2, the cat kicked the robbers. Answer, false. So who kicked the robbers? The donkey kicked the robbers, not the cat. So this statement is false. Number 3, the robbers never went back to the house. Answer, true. Number 4, the 4 musicians never went to Bremen. वो जो 4 musicians थे वो कभी भी Bremen नहीं गए फिर. Answer, true. This statement is true. Now the next question, question number 11. Write sentences of your own using the following phrases. नंबर फर्स्ट इज टेक टू योर हिल्स, यानी वहाँ से खिसक जाना या जल्दी गायब हो जाना, भाग जाना. आंसर, राजू सॉ द लायन एंड टुक टू हिज हिल. नंबर सेकेंड, हैव अ हार्टी डिनर. Answer, I was invited by my friend and had a hearty dinner. Dear students, you may write your own sentences too. आप आपके खुद के दिल के भी सेंटेंस लिख सकते हैं आप. Then the next. Now is the time for the homework of the day. And I want to tell you one important thing, that whenever you do your homework, then you have to mention its day and date, and you have to solve the given homework in proper manner. Number first, learn all the question and answer. This is your homework, that you have to learn all the questions and answers. Read the lesson 2 times. You have to read this lesson 2 times. Now write 4 or 5 lines about your favorite animal. Also write why it is your favorite. आपको आपके फेवरेट एनिमल्स के बारे में लिखना है, एंड यू हैव टू राइट इट्स रीजन दैट व्हाई इट इज योर फेवरेट एनिमल. सो आई होप you will understand all the question and answers, and you will learn it, and you will become able to solve the exercise. So we will meet in the next video soon. Till Allah Hafiz.